What's up everybody, this is Charity Broker. Today I am so excited because I am passing from Beşiktaş to Uskudar by this boat. We are going today Uskudar Prestige Mansions. I wanted to go by this boat because I want to show you how it's easy to go to Uskudar from Beşiktaş in 5 minutes. Let's start our tour and enjoy the sea on Istanbul on this nice day. This is simit, Turkish bagel with sesame. This is the most iconic thing to throwing the birds this simit on this boat. And sometimes we can eat too. It's very good time. Road, where are the seagulls? Right. So on my behind you see these 4 blocks, black buildings. It is Uskudar Prestige Mansions. From the road we will be passing there by walking. In 10 minutes time we will be there. I will be explaining more when I am there. We have to wear our masks on while taking off. Maybe you remember this area from my Uskudar video. We are in the Uskudar Square right now. From here, this space, by walking, we are passing the Uskudar Prestige Mansions. Let's walk. From Uskudar Square we climbed up only few steps up to this point. Uskudar is one of the oldest town of Istanbul. You see on the other side historical Fatih, next to that Beyoğlu and Beşiktaş over here. And while you are living in your apartment in this point, you can easily reach the Uskudar center for shopping or pass to Beşiktaş, other side, European side, in few minutes to there. And let's go on or walking, and we are reaching to the Prestige Mansions. From the seafront point, we call it Yalı point. We are the 3rd building here, and there are 4 buildings. Each building has 5 apartments, total of 20 apartments in this project. Until beginning to the end, underneath of whole project is 50 space of car parking and easily reachable. The project, each building, 2 garden duplex, 1 middle floor apartment and 2 top floor duplex. Let's start our tour and see the social facilities and the inside of the apartment, and of course the amazing Bosphorus view. This is the lobby space of the 4 blocks of Prestige Mansions. We have always security on this corner waiting 24 hours, and there's a small waiting lounge, toilet, over here and post boxes there. So it is not a classic building, it's like a compound of 20 boutique apartments in Uskudar. It is hard to find in this point new building. Even if you find new building with some facilities, impossible. So it is one of the impossible project in Uskudar. From this point, either you can go upstairs, we will go also there, to the garden level to reach your apartment, or on or behind, we have some facilities. For ladies and men, the changing rooms. For the swimming pool showers here. They make small space. Over here you can make your gym over there. So this is the facilities space. We have here sauna, steam room, massage space, resting area, and some small indoor swimming pool with the waves inside with the machine. And nice picture over here. As you see, it is so wide and easy to use, not underground. From the road level, these doors are opening and you can enter your house easily. And I would like to show so unique space here. You cannot find this kind of clean machinery room in another building. All these heating systems of each apartment is managed here, and this is the clean water. All the apartments, tap water is drinkable water, so this is so extraordinary item in your apartment that you are reaching to a clean water inside the tap. And now we will go and see the apartment. I don't need these glasses to have this view. Amazing Bosphorus view. We are on the top floor duplex apartment. There are 8 apartments like this. 305 meters square gross size and 229 meters square net size duplex 3 bedrooms apartment. We have a nice dimension, good quality living space over here, which is around 50 meters square. And as you can notice, a wide big glasses, and you can easily open them like this. You have more than 2 meters open space to directly to the Bosphorus. Isn't it amazing? And all the decoration of the apartment with wallpapers, top these lightnings, heating radiators, all of them are ready. From living space, I would like to take you to the corridor. Maybe you notice or not, all these floorings are full of marble and with small decoration details. All of them are good details here. We have one guest bathroom over here, marble, classic, floating vanity, good quality ceramics, a shower space here, and all these doors are specially made, and each apartment there are different decoration, massive wood doors. On the entrance of the apartment we have the cloak rooms here for the jackets and the shoes. Smart home system, you can reach to reception, manage all your apartments with the smart home system. One bedroom over here, a nice space with central cooling system inside the apartment, and you can manage them over here with these remotes, and heating with the radiators. And entrance floor we have this huge kitchen space. In this kitchen space you can easily settle a dining table for 6 people in the middle of this, and you can easily open this window for a clean air, big fridge space, top lighting systems, the cooker space, dishwasher, all ready in this apartment. And here we see this type with glass and decoration still here, good quality doors. From these stairs It takes us to the upstairs 2 bedrooms. Let's go up. So this is the first bedroom here. Bedroom space. On the back side, you have a area for terrace, for clean air. You can see all the roof is by steel, good quality. On this room, there is another exit possibility. From this steel door, you can go out of your apartment. Maybe upstairs, downstairs, you can use it separate maybe. This is the ensuite bedroom with this shower here. They use the gray floating vanity and shower system over here. There is rainfall. And this point is the best viewpoint of this apartment. Another big bedroom space and this huge terrace. It is priceless to start or end your day on this view. On this balcony you can have your barbecue with your friends. I can see First Bridge, Şişli, Levent high-rises. On my front, Dolmabahçe Palace, and on the left-hand side, I see the Galata, Fatih, Beyoğlu, Taksim, and here is the Uskudar. This apartment, 305 meter square gross size, 229 meter square net size, and the selling price is 2 million euro. And other than this, there is middle floor apartments. We will turn video over here for the middle floor apartment, and there is garden duplex options, but best view of course the top floor duplexes, but also garden duplex. Maybe you may choose garden duplex apartment. So today we did the Uskudar Prestige Mansions. Thank you for watching. See you on the next episode.